Hello friends, in this lesson we will be discussing about bike maintenance tips. What is importance of bike maintenance? The bike should be maintained and serviced thoroughly to keep it in a good running condition as you would want it to be. Here are some maintenance tips that will help you prolong the life of your dear bike. First is tires. Regularly check the tire condition and air pressure. When checking the tire air pressure, make sure to examine tire treads and side walls for wear, damage and foreign object. Whenever the tire is removed and put back in case of puncture, you must ensure that the arrow mark on the tire is in the same direction as that of forward rotation of the wheel. Second is engine oil. The engine oil in your pre-serving smooth running of the bike. Maintain a correct engine oil level is very necessary. Engine oil increases the life of engine and minimize the blow by gases and improves the engine and the power. The engine oil level should be maintained between the upper and lower level marks of the deep stick. In case it is needed, top up the engine oil up to the upper level on the deep stick. Replace the engine oil if it's due for replacement. Third is throttle. In the throttle maintenance part, inspect the cables. Check for smooth rotation of the throttle grip from the fully open to the fully closed position. Check at full left and full right steering positions. Inspect the condition of the throttle cable from the throttle grip down to the carburetor. If the cable is kinked, cap or improperly rotated, it should be replaced or rerouted. Standard throat grip free play is approximately 2 to 6 mm of grip rotation. Fourth is drive chain. Check the drive chain condition for slackness. If it's slack, then tighten it and lubricate if necessary. The service life of the drive chain is dependent upon proper lubrication and adjustment. Poor maintenance can cause premature wear or damage to the drive chain and sprockets. The drive chain should be checked and lubricated as part of the pre-ride inspection under severe usage or when the motorcycle is ridden in unusual dusty areas. More frequent maintenance will be necessary. Regular adjustment and lubrication as per the maintenance schedule would ensure high performance and longer life. Next is battery maintenance. Your motorcycle battery needs periodical maintenance to ensure a long and trouble-free life. You should check the electrolyte level against the top and bottom marking on the battery cell. Always top up with distilled water whenever required. Also check for any leakage from battery. It should be clean and free from any leakage. In case of non-use of motorcycle, battery should be kept fully charged and electrolyte level should be at top mark. Sixth is front and rear brakes. This should be the very fast thing that one have to check when starting a bike. See to that When the brake is applied, an arrow fixed to the brake arm moves toward a reference mark on the brake panel. If the arrow aligns with the reference mark on full application of the brake shoes must be replaced. Brake pad wear depends upon the severity of usage, the type of riding and road conditions. Generally, the pads will wear faster on wet and dirty roads. Inspect the pads at each regular maintenance interval. This was the discussion about bike maintenance. Thank you.